Welcome to Past Perfect Grammar. This lesson will teach you how to talk about two actions that happened in the past where one happened before the other. The formula is simple, had plus past participle. Let's learn this important tense together. The past perfect formula has three parts. First, the subject, which can be I, you, he, she, it, we, or they. Second, the word had, which is the auxiliary verb and never changes. Third, the past participle, which is usually the verb plus ed. Together, subject plus had plus past participle. Here are three examples of affirmative past perfect sentences. I had finished my work. This means I completed my work before another action in the past. She had lived in Paris for 5 years. This shows she lived there and then moved away. They had eaten dinner before the movie started. This tells us eating happened first, then the movie began. Now let's look at negative sentences. I had not finished my work. This means my work was not complete before another past action. She had not lived in Paris. This shows she never lived there before that time. They had not eaten dinner before the movie started. This tells us they did not eat before the movie began. To ask questions in past perfect, we change the word order. For yes or no questions, put had before the subject. Had you finished your homework? For questions with question words, use the question word first. What had she done before the accident? For short answers, say yes, I had, or no, they hadn't. Past perfect shows the order of two past events. Action 1 happened first, earlier in the past. Action 2 happened second, later in the past. For example, she had finished dinner when he arrived. First, she finished dinner. Then he arrived. This time relationship is the key to understanding past perfect. Here are mistakes to avoid. Do not say, I finished my work without had. This becomes simple past, not past perfect. Do not say she had go to the store. Always use the past participle, not the base verb. So say she had gone. Do not repeat had for multiple actions. Say they had worked and studied all day, not they had worked and had studied all day. Let's review what we learned. Past perfect shows which action happened first in the past. The formula is always the same. Subject plus had plus past participle. Use it to show the time relationship between two past actions. Unlike simple past, which just tells what happened. Finally, practice daily by writing sentences and identifying which action came first.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.